Hello, I'm meteorologist Jay Engle with the National Weather Service Forecast Office out of Upton, New York, and here's the latest on the winter weather that's on the way for the middle of the week. Where you see the light shading of blue, that's where winter storm watches are in effect for Wednesday into the first half of Wednesday night for Western Passaic, Orange, and Putnam counties, and that goes into effect on Wednesday. Now, as far as expected snowfall, some snow will develop at the onset Wednesday morning, right around that morning commute for the city and the coast. Otherwise, mostly rain is expected in these areas with a changeover to all rain very quickly by Wednesday afternoon, again, for the city and the coast. But the further north and west you go, especially north of the Merritt and then north of 287 across the Hudson Valley, this is where there's going to be more of a fight between the warm and cold air. So a more prolonged changeover to a wintry mix and in some areas plain rain. But as you go further north and west, this is where significant snowfall and perhaps some additional ice accumulation on top of that snow, especially into the northern half of Orange County and perhaps northern Putnam during a Wednesday evening or late Wednesday afternoon, early Wednesday evening. And this is where we do have the winter storm watches in effect for that snow and perhaps some additional ice on top of that snow going into Wednesday. Now, what you're looking at here is the 5,000-foot temperature forecast. This is going to play a vital role in how much snow and ice falls across the area, especially further north and west. After midnight on Wednesday, you can make out here this is the freezing line at 5,000 feet, and it's south of southern New Jersey to start very, very early Wednesday morning. Now, as we go out in time, though, as we get into the morning rush hour on Wednesday, this is where snow is going to develop. You could make out that freezing line getting into South Jersey, and then very quickly, we think by 1 in the afternoon, maybe 2 in the afternoon, that freezing line at 5,000 feet get just north and west of New York City. So the city and the coast should go over to plain rain fairly quickly. At least that's the current thinking. But as you go further north and west, this is where there's going to be more of a fight and a more prolonged changeover. Thus, in those areas, some snow and ice accumulation. And then by just after midnight on Thursday, this is when drier and colder air start to come in, setting up a seasonably chilly and dry day on Thursday as that storm system does pull away fairly quickly, so it is a quick mover. Now, for the latest forecast updates, be sure to visit our homepage and also visit our winter weather page. We update that frequently with snowfall and ice accumulation maps. So for the latest and greatest in terms of the winter event, you want to check out our winter weather page. I'm Jay Engle. Make it a great evening.